Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a 3-in-1 cable, Lightning Micro USB-C to HD TV. It supports iPhone, Android, computer. You can charge your phone. It's 8-channel. It's 2 meters in length. Okay, so let's open it up. Here's the instructions. As you see, it has HDMI port here. And then this side we have USB-A, and you can change the adapter here to use for micro, USB-C, iPhone, Lightning. And you can also charge your phone while using this to stream to your TV. That's it. So if you're interested in this cable, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.